Remington Hair here, and welcome to the second life vlog video. These are a short, unscripted kind of just look into what I'm up to this week in terms of videos and what I'm working on with other stuff. So this week, I'm about fed up with Apple. I recently got an iPod Touch first generation. Now, if you know anything about me, you know I love this nostalgic tech. I love this kind of stuff. Stuff from the early 2000s, stuff like Furbies, iDogs, iPods, stuff like that. I love it. And so I got this iPod Touch. It's the first one that they came out with. And I tried to restore it. Trouble is, iTunes no longer supports that device. So, trouble is it's stuck in restore mode. So I had to go online, download an older version of iTunes, try to restore this thing, and it still didn't work. Also got a laptop, an old MacBook from 2009, early 2009. It's the white plastic model, so it's really cool. And I just wanted to get it because I work in the cell phone business, so I'm very familiar with iOS, what you would be using with an iPhone and an iPad. I'm not terribly familiar with Mac OS, which is what they use for their computers. So I wanted to kind of familiarize myself with that and maybe see if it was worth looking into getting a more up-to-date system so I can maybe look into doing videos on that. Because I understand that a lot of creatives really like Apple because it gives them a lot of really good tools to do that. Problem is, again, it's really old, so it's really slow. So I haven't been able to really find a use for it yet. Like I said, I produce my videos on my desktop. It's a Windows desktop, it's Windows 10, it's a gaming PC, so it does everything I need it to do and it does it really, really well. I love this thing. It was actually a gift from a friend of mine, so I had no part in building this monster. If you guys have any experience with the Mac OS in terms of content creation and some of the tools they give you, let me know if it's worth investing because I'm interested and I'm looking. And I'm not sure yet. I want to hear what you guys have to say on that topic. Another big thing I've been working on is a couple different videos for this Fursuit Friday video. They're not done yet. Both videos are going to get made, so no worries there. They're both going to happen. I'm just waiting on some stuff to get in for one of them. I'm waiting on some other filmed content to come in from other people. I'm not saying who, but I'm waiting on some content to come in from other people so I can get to work on that, and that's going to be a lot of fun. I'm also looking at doing a furry commercials reaction video of just me reacting to various commercials with anthro characters in them. I'm going to be checking that out. That's something I'm looking at doing. In other news, I did get some feet-paws. They're not in yet, otherwise I'd show you. But yeah, so I'm really happy to be completing my outfit, completing my look, and hopefully by the time that 2021 rolls around and we can finally start going to cons again, I'll have a really cool fursuit ready for the convention floor, and I'll be able to debut this suit, which is something I really wanted to do before all this chaos hit with COVID-19, but it's given me time to build and to get better at performing in fursuit, things like that. So it has been a net positive in terms of being a learning experience. Silver lining, very important, but that's pretty much the long and short of it. Let me know if you guys have experience with Apple as opposed to PC and which one you think is better for creating content, because again, I'm doing my homework, but I've had very limited experience with Mac OS as opposed to Windows PC. So I want to know your opinion and your experiences down in the comments below to help me decide what I should do. Also, let me know if there are any commercials that you would like me to watch on that reaction video. I think you can link them to me down in the comments. So definitely do that. And that's going to do it for this vlog video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and a big thanks to Floofy Mint and Zobel Hazi, my awesome patrons. Thank you guys so much for supporting my work. I really appreciate it. And if you want to be super awesome, you can support my Patreon also. I'll put a link down in the doobly-doo, and you can check that out. I have a $1 tier as well as a $3, $5, and $10 tier. So I wanted to offer a wide variety of price points that are convenient for everybody. Definitely check that out if you can. I'd really appreciate it. Also, we'll have that video up Friday for the Patreon, or not Friday, but early for the Patreons. My work schedule is changing, so I'm going to have to find some way to make it work, but I will make it work. The Fursuit Friday videos are always going to come out on Friday, and they're always going to be out early for my patrons. The vlog videos like this, they're going to kind of float around the week until I can find a stable work schedule, until things settle down at work. But there will be 2 videos a week, every single week. That's my promise to you guys. But sorry for rambling. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys on Friday. Bye.